what are the critical control points for baking bread? Doneness is definitely one of them. And if underbaked bread comes out of the oven, nobody's happy. Next time you work with your baker, ask her what temperature she pulls her bread out of the oven at. And if you want the master chef perspective, if you know your challah's done at 205 or maybe it's 215, then you take a lot of the guesswork out of it, right? You know the feel, you know the sound, but then you know the doneness temperature. You stick an instant read in the bottom or in the side just to get an internal temp. You can know where you're at. We don't have to go by so much guesswork. And quite honestly, what I've learned with newer pastry chefs and with newer bakers is that it undoes a lot of that uncertainty and it takes away a lot of that insecurity with baking the bread. You know, people are scared to bake the bread because they don't want their bread to screw up. Well, what are the critical control points for baking bread? Doneness is definitely one of them. And if underbaked bread comes out of the oven, nobody's happy, right? There's a lot of wasted time in that. So one of the most surefire way, and I learned this from a CMPC, is to temp the stuff as it comes out. Same thing with anglaise. Same thing with a nappe. You know what I mean? Like, what is that temperature? What is that doneness? It opens up a whole new realm of